Are you tired of feeling like your triceps are holding you back from achieving the arms of your dreams? Do you long for sculpted and powerful triceps that turn heads and make jaws drop? Well, my friend, the time has come to break free from limitations and unleash the true potential of your triceps, all from the comfort of your own home. Get ready to embark on an electrifying journey that will redefine what you thought was possible without expensive gym memberships or fancy equipment. Imagine a world where your triceps command attention with their chiseled definition and undeniable strength. Picture yourself flexing those rock-solid arms, leaving people in awe of your determination and dedication. It's time to transform your triceps from average to exceptional, and we've got the secret formula to make it happen. You don't need a fully equipped gym or costly machinery to achieve extraordinary triceps. What you need is the fire burning within you, the burning desire to push past your limits, and the knowledge of groundbreaking exercises that will take your triceps to unparalleled heights. Get ready to unleash a workout routine that will leave you breathless and craving more. This is your opportunity to sculpt powerful triceps that become the envy of others without ever leaving the comfort of your own home. So, are you ready to defy gravity, shatter expectations, and unveil a set of triceps that will make the world stop and take notice? If your answer is a resounding yes, then let's dive into the exhilarating world of triceps training, where the ordinary becomes extraordinary and your potential knows no bounds. Exercise number 1. Close grip push-ups. Let's start with a classic yet effective exercise, close grip push-ups. Assume a standard push-up position, but place your hands closer together, directly under your shoulders. Lower your body down, keeping your elbows close to your sides, and then push yourself back up. Repeat this motion for a set of 10 to 15 reps. Close grip push-ups target your triceps and help build overall upper body strength. Exercise number 2. Triceps dips. Find a stable chair or bench and position yourself facing away from it. Place your hands on the edge of the chair, shoulder width apart, fingers pointing forward. Extend your legs in front of you and lower your body by bending your elbows. Dip down until your upper arms are parallel to the ground and then push yourself back up. Perform 10 to 12 reps of triceps dips, focusing on the contraction and extension of your triceps. Exercise number 3. Diamond push-ups. For this exercise, assume a standard push-up position but bring your hands closer together, forming a diamond shape with your thumbs and index fingers. Lower your body down, keep your elbows close to your sides, and then push yourself back up. Perform 8 to 10 reps of diamond push-ups. This variation intensifies the focus on your triceps, providing a challenging workout. Exercise number 4. Bodyweight skull crushes. Lie on your back, with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Extend your arms straight up, perpendicular to the floor. Lower your forearms towards your forehead, keeping your upper arms stationary, and then extend your arms back up. Repeat this movement for a set of 12 to 15 reps. Bodyweight skull crushers target the triceps and are a great alternative to traditional dumbbell exercises. Exercise number 5. Plank triceps extensions. Assume a forearm plank position with your elbows directly under your shoulders and forearms on the ground. Push through your forearms, extending your arms straight while maintaining a stable core. Hold the extended position for a few seconds, then return to the starting position. Repeat for a set of 8 to 10 reps. Plank triceps extensions engage your entire core and target your triceps effectively. Exercise number 6. Chair dips with leg raise. Sit on the edge of a chair or bench with your hands gripping the edge, fingers pointing forward. Walk your feet forward, extending your legs straight in front of you. Lower your body by bending your elbows, keeping them close to your sides while simultaneously raising one leg off the ground. Push yourself back up, lower the raised leg and repeat with the other leg. Perform 10 to 12 reps, alternating the leg raise each time. This exercise combines triceps dips with a core strengthening leg raise, giving you a full body challenge. Remember, to maximize the effectiveness of these exercises, maintain proper form throughout each movement. Focus on contraction and extension of your triceps and avoid rushing through the repetitions. Take short breaks between sets to allow your muscles to recover. With dedication and consistency, you can achieve strong and well-defined triceps right in the comfort of your own home. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your triceps be. It's important to stay committed and make these exercises a regular part of your routine. As you progress on your triceps transformation journey, you will begin to notice increased strength, improved muscle tone, and a newfound confidence in your arms. But it doesn't stop here. With each workout, challenge yourself to push a little further, do a few more reps, or hold each exercise for a little longer. This is how you will continue to see progress and keep those triceps growing. And let's not forget the importance of proper nutrition and overall fitness. Fuel your body with wholesome foods that provide the necessary nutrients to support muscle growth. Combine your tricep workout with cardiovascular exercise, full body strength training, and flexibility exercises to create a well-rounded fitness routine. As you persevere and stay dedicated to your triceps workout at home, you will become an inspiration to yourself and those around you. Others will marvel at your commitment and the incredible results you achieve without fancy equipment or a gym membership. So, my friend, it's time to take action. Carve out a space in your home, gather your determination, and get ready to sculpt the triceps of your dreams. The power to transform your arms lies within you, and with each rep, you are one step closer to unlocking your full triceps potential. Remember, the journey may be challenging at times, but the rewards are immeasurable. Stay focused, stay consistent, and watch as your triceps become a symbol of your dedication and perseverance.